In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3S1. The Kobra Ender 3S1 Pro is an advanced 3D printer designed to enhance user experience with its impressive speed and upgraded features. With a printing speed of 200 mm per second, it operates 4 times faster than typical 3D printers, allowing users to create models efficiently. Their Sprite, all-metal direct drive extruder provides a powerful feeding mechanism, capable of printing flexible filaments like TPU without slipping. Its CR-Touch auto-level sensor offers precise bed leveling through a 16-point calibration system, making setup quicker and more accurate. The upgraded brass nozzle withstands high temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing for a wider selection of materials including ABS, PETG, and wood. The printer also boasts a dual-screw Z-axis and dual-motor design for smoother operation, complemented by a user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen, LED lighting for low-light conditions, and a steel spring PEI sheet bed that solves adhesion issues. Additionally, features like a filament detection sensor and power loss recovery ensure continuity and convenience during printing, making the Ender 3S1 Pro a comprehensive option for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer combines speed and precision, boasting a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, which is over 65% faster than conventional printers, while the recommended speed of 150 mm per second ensures excellent print quality. Constructed from durable aluminum, this compact printer measures 6.69-inch dx 6.69 wx 7.48 h and weighs 8.5 kilograms. Its upgraded integrated extruder features a powerful 60W hot end and a 7000 RPM cooling fan for quick filament melting and cooling, enhancing model formation. The printer utilizes advanced Marlin firmware's linear propulsion and input shaping to minimize print spillage and resonance, delivering smoother, more detailed outcomes, making it suitable even for beginners. Additionally, the innovative LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system intelligently compensates for Z-axis offsets, catering to different user needs for easier setup. To top it off, Anycubic supports customers with a 1-year warranty, including specific coverage for the print head and heated bed, along with reliable technical assistance. Number 3. Anycubic Photon M3. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for creativity and efficiency, boasting a remarkable print volume of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, 30.0 by 29.8 by 16.4 centimeters, allowing users to produce large models or multiple prints simultaneously. Equipped with a 7K UV LCD screen that offers a resolution of 6480 by 3600 pixels and a contrast ratio of 450:1, it delivers exceptional detail and print quality. The printer features a sizable 13.6-inch LCD display protected by a replaceable anti-scratch film to prevent liquid damage. With a fast printing speed of 60 mm per hour, it can complete a 12 cm model in just 2 hours, thanks to its powerful matrix LED light source. Additionally, the Photon M3 Max includes automatic resin feeding capabilities that enhance printing precision and success rates, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4. Prusa Mini Plus. The original Prusa Mini Plus is a compact yet fully functional 3D printer designed for versatility and performance. With a build volume of 7 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches, 18 by 18 by 18 centimeters, and weighing 4.5 kilograms, it integrates advanced features typically found in larger models, such as sensorless homing, automatic mesh bed calibration, interchangeable nozzles, and remote print management through Prusa Connect. Its user-friendly full-color LCD screen, rapid printing capabilities supported by input shaper and pressure advance, and robust safety measures enhance its appeal to both beginners and experienced users. The printer supports a variety of materials, including advanced options like PA11, making it adaptable for diverse projects. Additionally, it comes with a free sample of Prusa Mini PLA, reinforcing its commitment to convenience and quality, while its open-source design encourages maintenance, modifications, and personalization. Number 5. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision, weighing 23.8 pounds with dimensions of 15.83 inch dx 14.29 wx 17.64 h. It features one-click automatic printing, ensuring perfect bed leveling without manual adjustments and facilitating consistent adhesion for flawless first layers. With a remarkable 12x ultra-fast printing capability powered by a Core XY structure, it achieves travel speeds of up to 600 mm per second and features rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds. The printer also boasts a quick warm-up time of 35 seconds to reach 200 degrees Celsius and a dual-sided PEI platform that simplifies print removal. Its adaptability is enhanced by dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes, enabling it to handle a variety of materials while delivering superior print quality. Additionally, the Adventure 5M supports real-time monitoring through the FlashMaker mobile app, allowing users to adjust parameters and receive alerts for a seamless printing experience.